Good morning, Funny. Good morning, Briggy. Good morning, Meatloaf. Good morning, majestical little monster. Hi, baby. Good morning. You're about to fall, my dude. It's 7 a.m. This guy has been up since 6:30. Not too bad. And he's just chewing on my straps. Good morning. Say good morning, everyone. Okay, dude, that's just disgusting. You have like dog fur. Okay, yeah, go to that other piece. That piece is probably cleaner. Wow, dude. Wow. And he's wearing blue today. How does he look, everyone? Does he look good? He's got a little furry bunny tail here. Just not. Oh, Grandma's arriving. She's gonna kill me because I'm recording. Good morning.
Hi.
Yeah. But yeah, been up now. This guy's batteries are fully charged. Look at his hair. His hair. Oh, Meatloaf. Good morning, Meatloaf.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Yeah.
No, está sucio eso, Hey.
Not that part.
Ok. Cómetelo. ¿Quieres sal? ¿Ah? ¿Quieres sal para que te lo comes? Hey, los dientes.
Yeah.
Mira el pelo parado. That's not good news.
Yeah, he didn't sleep very good.
Oh, my stuff. My stuff.
Look at that hair. Look at that hair.
Hey, niño. Right there.
See the doggos? Yeah, but I'm gonna start getting ready. Alright, dude, alright. We're moving this. Here, play with this. That's my little pencil bag. Not very little, but it's been standing this whole time. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna sit you down. You need to relax. Relax those cute little feet. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. I need to cut these freaking jagged nails, dude. You holding on? You're creeping to the floor, you monkey. Now Papa has joined the party with the Taika Malaika and the bunny suit. Funny. Fun.
Eye boogers, dude. Eye boogers.
Funny. Oh, hey. See, the dogs love Taika. Yeah, touch him, Taika. Touch the puppy. Funny's his dog, though. Have fun. Good girl, Fun.
He's grabbing the back, Briggy's back. He
Okay,
has a wad of fur.
Good girl, Briggy.
You love these guys? The cutie.
Good girl, Briggy.
The cutie, huh?
Good girl.
These guys are cutie.
Good girl, Fun. Good girl, Briggy. Hey, nice. Don't let him pull too hard.
It's gonna hurt.
She just lets herself.
Good girl.
Yeah, backhander. Good
Good
boy.
girl, Briggy. Good girl.
I don't know if I'm talking about the dog or the kid anymore.
Freaking grabbing these
blended.
wads of fur, just pulling it out.
She doesn't mind. Good girl, Fun.
What is this? His eye boogies?
Hands. Fuck it. Fun.
Fun's taking care of his eye boogies.
Funny. Good girl, Fun. You like the puppies? You like the puppies? Ew, yucky. Ew, yucky, Funny. Good girl, Fun. He's fucking his face.
There's freaking fur all over him.
Oh, good girl. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, happy Taika with the puppies. With the milk of the puppies.
Milk of the puppy.
Where's that reference from? Go, write in the comments. Go, where's that reference from? Milk of the puppy.
You know, milk of the puppy also sounds very sexual sometimes. Get it?
Like cum?
Milk of the puppy.
You're disgusting.
I didn't say anything nasty like that.
I had a guess and you made me think about nasty stuff.
Cleaning his little wretched
Pause.
hands.
Wretched?
Just kidding. Come here, Taika. Taika. Taika, come here. Come here.
Go take my legs. Go take a go. 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 Go, 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 go. Go take a go. Go take a go.
Good boy.
Go take a go. Go, go take a go. Go, go take a go.
Good boy.
Go take a go. Go, go take a go.
Yesterday he was amazing, you know that?
Why?
We were at your brother's house, and I had him in between my legs, and he was on the couch, and I was watching him like this, and I wanted to test if he could do something. So you know how he likes to climb on the wall like this? He's like sidestepping.
Yeah.
So he got to my leg where it was on the ground, and I wanted to see if he could get over. His leg hit my leg, and he slowly brings it up and brings it over, and his other leg hit my leg, and he slowly brings it up and brings it over. He knows when there's an obstacle there. He didn't just get tripped and fall over.
Yeah. That's good. Because before he would just try to, like the Sims, he'd try to keep moving forward even though his head was on a wall.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm still going to try to walk through this. Taika, come here.
Go to your mama.
Taika, 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 Taika.
Go to your mama.
Taika.
Go to your mama.
Taika.
Go to your mama over there.
You know your name. Come here, Taika.
Go to your mama.
Nah, he says I want to be with Dad.
Crawl over the leg easily now. Like it's nothing. See?
Well, he says he's climbed over buffer legs before.
Look at that.
Oh. I gotta throw one in there. I'm always telling Pop Bear that he's so handsome. He's so smart.
Talking about the bear.
Oh.
Right, yeah, the bear has buffer legs than you. That's even crazier.
Well, that's a buff bear. It's a Costco bear.
Yeah, it's a Costco bear.
Costco bear's a buff.
Alright. Check out the papa skills. Cutting Taika's toenails. Good boy, Taika. You're doing good. I'm talking like a golf announcer so that I don't rally you up, but I see from those eyes that you're smiling. Yeah, look at how good Papa's doing. Good cutting those little toenails. Because you're a little tiger and they're freaking sharp. Oh. Yeah, Papa, the face of concentration. He can't mess up now. There's so much writing on this. It's Taika's little toenails. Yeah, I remember my mom refused for whatever reason. Yeah, you lady. Refused for whatever reason to use toenail clippers, and she would use these like toenail scissors or like nail scissors.
Like nail shears?
Like shears, yeah.
I had those too.
And they were so sharp looking and way intimidating as a little kid. And I remember she would like dig into my toe to like get it, and I just would see like these big sharp things coming at me, and I could have sworn like I'd just be like ow 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 before it would even touch me because I was so afraid of these like.
So you would sing?
Yeah. And I was so scared. I hated getting my toenails cut because lady over here wanted to stab me at first.
Would you go as far as saying it's a binche lady or no?
Binche?
Yeah.
Like beans?
Like binche, like P-I-N-C-H-E.
Calling me a bad word.
Would you go as far as saying binche lady?
No way, I love my mom.
Yeah, I wouldn't go that far either.
Would be bleeding,
Yeah, I would not go that far.
right?
My mouth would be bleeding.
If you call me a bad name.
Yeah, like, if this was Mexico, I would have beat your ass. Right?
No, you know what she would say?
What?
She says, yeah, keep it up. I'm going to drive all the way to Mexico where they don't have laws and I'm going to beat your ass there.
When the bruising is down, then you come back in.
That's exactly what she would say.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
You hear that, Taika?
And you know that white people threat where she's like, if you don't stop, I'm going to turn this car around. She actually did it once.
What's the white people threat?
Oh, that one where they stopped the car. Take it. Distraction. You don't know what's going on because of distraction. I'm winning. Oh, don't look at that. Don't look at it. Look at my hand. Don't look at it. Taika, is it interesting? Good boy. You're gonna have fresh claws. Are your toes baby carrots? That's what Grandma said. You have baby carrot toes. Distraction, distraction. Pay attention to Mama. Pay attention to Mama. Good boy. What is it? What's going on? What's going on in there? That's your nose. Oh, put the. Okay. Look. He hates this position. How much more you need?
Just really quick. This is the last one.
Hey, baby. Look, baby. Look, baby. Look, baby. Look.
I'm done.
It worked.
Done. He doesn't even know.
Teamwork.
He doesn't even know.
Let's go, Tonka truck. Tiki, Tonka truck. Thank you, Dad.
Welcome.
Look at these little toenails. Whoa.
Oh, come on.
Those are big. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. We're done. His new thing is just laughing by himself. You're weird. I caught you. Oh my God. I caught you laughing, weirdo. You're so weird. Oh my God, you're gonna throw up. You're gonna throw up, weirdo. Vienes loco. ¿Te da cosquillitas?
I don't mind that. Cuando le hace es cuando me asusto.
Why? Because you think there's a demon? You're crazy. And everyone knows it now. Everyone knows how crazy you are. Cochino. Hey, te sacar. Where are you going? You can't walk, dude. Ay. Ooh, you got on your knees. Smart baby. Look at all that drool. You're so gross. You're so gross. Cochino. Alright, so I just got to work. And in the entire car ride, it smelled like ass and vegetables. And I'm like, why does my car smell like ass and vegetables? So as soon as I got out here, I started searching my car, my Korean people. I forgot that I had kimchi cucumber and kimchi cabbage packets in there, and it smells so foul, it pissed me off. Because I'm like, what is that smell? Ugh. So I had to drive with all the windows down because it smelled so freaking bad. These were the culprits. Urgh, so nasty. Alright, so I'm finally sitting at my desk. I never get to sit here. I've changed my setup completely. I have no more screen or mouse, or not mouse, what is it? What are these, what is this called? Keypad? Keyboard! Keyboard! Ding, ding, ding. I'm tired. And I have since, let me put this on a little tripod. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Yes. I have gotten a new laptop. It's in here. It's so tiny. It sounds like a, hold on. So, okay, so I put it in a sleeve, but this is my new laptop. Look at how tiny it is. It's an Apple, I don't know what this is, but it's so tiny. I can hold it in one hand. Probably Tyson can do the same. So it just doesn't make sense for me to have such a huge setup because all I'm doing is really answering emails, and I would just keep it on my phone, but you know, I have to write some elaborate emails, and to keep typing with like just your thumbs takes forever. I would get an iPad, but it's essentially, you know, a big phone. So I opted for this little guy, and I'm so happy. At first I was kind of sad because I had the 15-inch. This one's 12, and I thought the 15-inch was too big for me. But then when I got to the 12, I'm like, oh my God, this is so small, because I have like really big hands. So already, like, I've already taken up like half of the real estate on the keyboard. But the more I use it, the more I got used to it, and the more I love it, because it's just so portable. But yeah, so because of that, it just didn't make sense to have an additional screen, because this screen's already so small, and I have a big ass one here. And if you guys noticed, there's only a charging port and a headphones port. So I don't have very many options, but it's okay. I like this setup. It's clean. I don't feel clusterfucked or crowded. And in checking out what I have, I realized I really like pink and gold together a lot. Because I got this laptop in gold, got this in pink. And I was looking at my makeup bag, and it's pink. Oh my God, I love it. I love it so much. Yeah. So no one else is here in the office with me. Fridays are pretty good days for me because I get to catch up on a lot of work, because I just work, and then I go home, and all I want to do is be with Taika, and then all I can do is be with Taika, because he's just a wiggly little worm now, as you guys can see from all these vlogs. And yeah, so I don't really have time, and I'm just exhausted. Anyway, no excuses. Friday is my catch-up day. I have my cup of coffee ready to rock and roll, and I was about to eat this healthy snack. I forgot what it's called. I don't have it next to me anymore, but it was like oats and grain and a whole bunch of other shit. And when I looked at the nutrition facts, it had 8 grams of fat. So then I looked at these nutrition facts, and one little bar has 2 grams of fat. So that means I get to eat 2 of them, and it's still less fat than that other shit I was gonna eat that's supposedly healthier. No, it's by far way healthier than this synthetic shit, but it just doesn't taste as good. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna be real with myself. I just wanna eat shit that tastes good that's probably really, really bad for me. I'll deal with that later. Right now, I just want something sweet to drink my black coffee with. I'm not tracking macros. I'm not really dieting. I think because I have some super basic knowledge about dieting, you can kind of gauge, you know, what's gonna be healthy and unhealthy for me. And then when I'm kind of like, ooh, this is kind of unhealthy, but let me see how unhealthy. And then I look at the nutrition facts, and it's what I thought, but not as bad as I thought. So then I'm like, you know what, I think I could pull that. But because I'm kind of being so free with it, I'm not working out as much. I'm being free with my diet, and my weight is not changing at all. So these like 10 pounds that I wanted to lose are kind of just chilling. But I'm not mad at that. I'm like, okay. I'm not happy with my appearance. I'm not happy with the way I look. Not to say that I'm complaining, but I just have my own goals and my own personal standards that I want to achieve. So I'm not happy because I'm not achieving them, but I'm okay with that right now. Like, my life is so fucking bananas that I'm just happy to be awake and coherent enough to put these sentences together to vlog to you, my friends out there. So, fuck it, I say I'm gonna have 2 of these bad boys, get some work done, and today's gonna be a fucking good day. Watch, keep watching it. It's gonna be a good day. Watch the next clip be, fuck guys, the worst shit happened. This is the worst day ever. Knock on wood. I know it's glass. Yes, we're back home. I guess we're back home. Did all my meetings, did everything I had to do to work, at work, and then I was just like, oh my God, what time is it? I want to get back to my baby. He likes it.
So cute.
I gotta show you guys this text I got from our friend Elijah, who was here. And he recorded something new that Taika does. I'm gonna show it to you. It's called his laughing cough. You guys ready for this? Okay, ready? Look.
Talk to your rheumatologist about Humira. This is Humira at work.
Who is that?
That's his new thing, his laughing cough. I think he watches JK News when his mom goes, "Hey, Super baby! Go take a go! Go take a go! Go!" Watch his head, okay? Papa always forgets Tyga has a head.
What do you mean?
Hey! Don't even make me nervous. He was sleepy, you know that? God damn, he's depressing. Alright, you guys. So it's nighttime now. And I had a wonderful day. Remember I told you guys, like, I was like, imagine my day turns out to be horrible. No, it was a great day. The only horrible part, and I'm sorry, is we went out to go get dinner, and the dinner was bomb, and then we got ice cream, and I met a bunch of you guys, like a bunch of fans, and I got to connect with you guys, but the horrible, horrible, horrible part was, someone's calling me. 800 number. The horrible part was I forgot my camera at home, so I didn't get to show any of it, but I'll give you this to close out the vlog for today. The sleeping baby tiger. Good night, everybody. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.